This question is the Edexcel November 2023, Paper 1, Question 6. The question states, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle ABD and the straight line ABC. BA is equals to BD. The ratio x to y is equals to 2 to 1. Work out the value of W. So we'll use angle properties of a triangle to solve this question. Now the question states that BD is equals to BA, which means that triangle BAD is an isosceles triangle. And that means angle BDA is x. So this angle here is x. So let's write that one in, because they are the two base angles, this and that. So we can state that angle BDA is equals to x. And the reason is base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. We also know that the ratio of x to y is 2:1. That means x divided by y equals to 2 divided by 1. And this implies that x is equals to 2y. And we get that by rearranging this equation. So if x equals to 2y, then we can replace this x with 2y and replace this x with 2y. So let's do that. And we can say that this is equals to 2y. And this is also equals to 2y. So now, in this triangle, if we add up all the angles, we are going to get y for this plus 2y plus 2y for the remaining two angles. And we know that the sum of the angles in the triangle add up to 180. So that will be 180. And we can state the reason as sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. We can now solve for y here. And if we solve for y, we are going to get 5y is equals to 180. And this implies that y is equals to 180 divided by 5. And that will give me 36. We also know that angles on a straight line will add up to 180. So this angle plus that angle which lie on a straight line must add up to 180. And so that means y plus w equals to 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Now that we know this, we can just substitute the value of 36 that we got before. So if I write the whole equation down again, y plus w equals to 180. But we know the value of y, which is 36. So that means 36 degrees plus w equals to 180 degrees. We can now solve for w. So w will be equals to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees. And that will give us w will be 144 degrees. And that's the required value of w. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.